ready to take your woodworking projects to the next level. These 15 game-changing woodworking tools on Amazon are designed to boost precision, save time, and make every task easier. From innovative clamps to smart measuring gadgets, each tool is built to upgrade your workshop experience. Whether beginner or pro, these picks are must-haves for any woodworker. Face frame clamps. The face frame clamp, priced at $30, also known as the cabinet claw, is a professional grade tool designed to simplify cabinet installation. This innovative clamp combines multiple steps: tightening, aligning, pre-drilling, and fastening into one seamless process while staying securely in place. Built for durability, it works on styles from 1.5 inches to 2 inches with a 2-inch jaw width, 1.5 inch throat depth, and an opening capacity of 2 inches to 4 7/16 inches. Protective pads safeguard cabinet surfaces from damage, ensuring a clean finish. With this tool, installers achieve precise, high-quality results in a fraction of the time compared to conventional clamps. Ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil. The Nicpro Carpenter Pencil set, priced at $8.99, is a must-have toolkit for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It includes 2 solid carpenter pencils, 26 refills, 2.8mm, a replaceable sharpener, and a plastic storage box for convenience. Designed with a 45mm elongated tip, it easily marks deep holes and tight areas. The built-in sharpener attaches securely to the top, so it never gets lost, ensuring sharp, precise lines. Its thick, durable 2.8mm solid lead resists breaking and works smoothly on wood, metal, plastic, and more. With 3 lead colours, it's perfect for woodworkers, builders, masons, and craftsmen seeking efficiency and precision. Countersink Drill Bit Set. The Keen-Tech Countersink Drill Bit Set, priced at $23.98, is built for precision, durability, and smooth performance. Featuring a 3/8 inch diameter with a 1/8 inch drill bit, carbide tip blades, and an M2 steel core with gold coating. It ensures long-lasting use. Its adjustable depth stop with ball bearing prevents scratches while maintaining consistent depth for flawless finishes. Ideal for screw sizes number 6 to number 10, it works effortlessly with wood, MDF, plywood, plastics, and aluminum. With a lifespan up to 5 times longer than standard bits, this set is perfect for woodworkers crafting furniture, cabinets, or DIY projects. Backed by a reliable warranty. Micro Detail Sander Kit. The Polywell Micro Detail Sander Kit, priced at $14.79, is designed for comfort, precision, and versatility. Its ergonomic shape fits snugly under your index finger, with lightweight polyurethane foam providing a soft, easy grip. Perfect for tight spaces and delicate areas, it comes with 7 different grits of premium aluminum oxide sandpaper, 40 to 600, clearly marked for convenience. Ideal for rough sanding, polishing, and smooth finishing. This kit makes detailed work simple and efficient. The hook and loop system ensures quick sandpaper changes, while the compact design makes it easy to handle. Kit includes 1 sander, 20 pieces each of 40 to 240 grit, and 10 pieces each of 400 to 600 grit. Corner Clamp. The WYQ Corner Clamp, priced at $43.99, is a versatile 90-degree angle clamp designed for woodworking, welding, framing, and furniture assembly. With a maximum clamping range of 2.75 inches, 70 millimeters, jaw width of 3.74 inches, 95 millimeters, and jaw depth of 1.38 inches, 35 millimeters. It ensures precise and secure holds. Built from high-quality aluminum alloy, die casting, it's durable and sturdy, with a non-slip rubber handle for comfort. Its adjustable jaws and rotating nuts allow for easy fixing of materials with different thicknesses at perfect right angles. Ideal for cabinets, drilling, or dowel joints. Each set includes 4 clamps plus reliable customer support. REEKON M 1 caliber measuring tool. The REEKON M1 caliber measuring tool priced at $149.99 revolutionizes precision cutting by digitizing your miter saw. This patent-pending device clamps securely to most saw fences, displaying accurate measurements on a large backlit LCD screen. Eliminating the need for tape measures and pencils, it allows cuts up to 3 times faster than traditional methods. Compatible with miter, chop, cut-off, and vertical bandsaws, it handles wood, composites, and pipe with ease. Its streamlined design enhances safety by centralizing measurement tasks. Setup is quick. Just clamp, adjust for blade thickness, and cut. Ideal for professionals, contractors, and woodworkers demanding speed and accuracy. Dual Spindle Dowel Jointer. The Dual Spindle Dowel Jointer, priced at $139.97, is designed for fast, accurate, and versatile jointing, offering both double and single drilling options. With variable drill depth, settings up to 38 millimeters, it meets precise requirements for each joint. A clear calibrated viewer ensures accurate setup, while the precision rack and pinion system adjusts easily for material thickness from 10 to 43 millimeters. The 0 to 90 degree adjustable fence provides reliable angled joints, and the dust port connects to extraction systems for a cleaner, safer workspace. Backed by a no-risk warranty, it includes a 30-day refund policy and a 1-year replacement guarantee for added peace of mind. CA Glue with Activator. CA Glue with Activator is the ultimate solution for quick, strong, and professional bonding. This 2-part adhesive system makes projects easier by combining powerful CA glue with a fine mist activator spray. Simply apply 2 to 3 drops per square inch on one surface, spray the activator on the other, and bond together in just 5 to 12 seconds. Without the activator, curing may take up to 2 minutes. Perfect for woodworking, crafts, repairs, or industrial tasks, it ensures a clean application with no mess. Compatible with wood, metal, glass, and stone, this instant glue delivers reliable results every time. Rubber Mallet. The Rubber Mallet, priced at $17.97, is an essential tool for any toolbox, offering versatility and durability for a wide range of tasks. Designed with dual-sided, interchangeable soft and hard tips, it ensures surfaces remain undamaged while working on wood, metal, or delicate projects like jewelry making and leather crafting. Its comfortable, non-slip handle provides excellent grip, reducing hand strain during heavy-duty use. Perfect for flooring, furniture assembly, tent stakes, or small-scale repairs, this mallet delivers reliable performance. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last with a secure head-to-handle connection. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and transport anywhere. WETOLS Corner Clamps. The WETOLS Corner clamps, $12.99, are a must-have woodworking tool, making them a perfect gift for men, dads, husbands, or grandpas. Packaged in a gift box, This set of 4 clamps is ideal for aligning, nailing, welding, screwing, and creating cabinets, boxes, or picture frames. Designed for 90-degree corners and T-joints, they fit boards from 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. Crafted from durable polyamide material, they offer long-lasting performance. The strong spring provides excellent holding power, keeping boards secure while gluing or screwing. Lightweight and easy to use, the single-handed operation makes these clamps convenient and efficient for all DIY woodworking projects. Square combination. The square combination set, $24.99, is a must-have for woodworking and crafting enthusiasts. Built with premium aluminum zinc alloy construction, it combines a lightweight carpenter's square with a durable zinc alloy ruler for long-lasting use. Featuring precision measurement markings in both metric and SAE scales, it ensures accurate cuts and 90-degree verification every time. The secure grip design, complete with textured edges and a locking mechanism, guarantees stability during use. Ideal for woodworking tools, accessories, and handicraft projects, this portable combination square is easy to carry and store, making it the perfect companion for professionals and DIY hobbyists alike. Wood Carving Kit. The RAVS Wood Carving Kit is built for precision, durability, and comfort. Featuring a sharp 9CR 18M OV steel blade with a rust-resistant titanium coating, this whittling knife cuts smoothly through tough wood while handling fine details effortlessly. The ergonomic Brazilian rosewood handle ensures a comfortable non-slip grip for fatigue-free carving. A premium leather sheath made from thick cowhide protects the knife and adds a stylish touch, making it easy to carry and store. Perfect for beginners and seasoned woodworkers, this wood carving knife is a thoughtful gift for hobbyists and comes backed with 1-year technical support for peace of mind. Shelf Pin Jig. The going make. Shelf Pin Jig Pro, $32.99, is a must-have woodworking tool for creating clean, precise shelf pin holes. Designed for both 1/4 inch and 5mm pins, it features a hardened drill guide that ensures accuracy and long-lasting performance. With its fast connectable system, multiple jigs can be linked together for efficient drilling. The adjustable drill guides offer standard 32mm spacing with customizable offsets, 37, 50, 64mm, making it versatile for cabinet building. Its anti-slip base holds steady without extra clamps, while quick assembly makes setup simple. Perfect for hinges, drawer slides, and shelves, this jig saves time and improves your woodworking results. Trend EasyScribe. The Trend EasyScribe, $31.99, is a precision tool designed for professional accuracy and everyday practicality. Perfect for scribing doors, worktops, flooring, architraves, and more, it ensures seamless fitting in diverse applications. Its articulated arm allows adjustable offsets from 0.04 inches to 1.57 inches, while the ultra-thin 0.02-inch guide plate fits into tight gaps with ease. A flat base guarantees stability, delivering consistent and accurate scribing with fine 0.03-inch pencil line markings. Effortless to use, it features a knurled foregrip sliding steel guide plate with up to 1.97 inches projection, thumb wheel, fine adjustment, and spare graphite refills for long-lasting performance. HOTO Rotary Toolkit. The HOTO Rotary Toolkit, $29.99, is a compact yet powerful cordless tool designed for versatile DIY projects. Featuring dual collet sizes, 3.2mm built-in and 2.3mm included. It works with most brand accessories for grinding, cutting, sanding, engraving and polishing. Its 5-speed adjustable control, 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, ensures precision across materials like wood, plastic and metal. With a quiet motor, LED ring light, snap-on safety shield and USB-C rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, it combines safety, convenience and efficiency. Weighing just 0.52 pounds, this ergonomic lightweight design offers comfort and portability. Includes 35 accessories and doubles as a pet nail grinder.